So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you all know, you see me creating Talkatone account and all that, and sometimes when you try creating you have some issues. So these are the basic things that that I will say causes the issues for you guys. So I will explain the basics here before in my next video I will do video on how to create another Talkatone account. So let's start with the basic, which are the VPNs, are the most important things. So as you all know, I use this VPN. This is a paid VPN, though there are other paid VPN, but I've not tried it. So I cannot confirm that this VPN work, but this actually works for now, as of now. Alright. So once you connect a good VPN, it should surely let me open my button. It usually works, and yeah, all you need is a good VPN also. And again, if you try some devices a lot, if you try one device a lot, don't expect it to open a Talkatone for you again. It's either you use this Iceland, where is it? Sorry, kinda just searching. It's either use this Iceland to create a virtual environment for you. It's a work environment for you to use it, or you find another device. This is just the basic device you see that you have tried a lot of method to open Talkatone account with. It will not open any device, it will not open any Talkatone account for you again, except you use a good VPN. And even sometimes a good VPN, it will detect that you have tried using this device a lot. That's second. Also, again, for the free VPN I use, as you can see right here, I use this, that currently work. I use this open VPN Connect, this right here, and VPN server. Often use this VPN. Formerly I use this OVPN Spider, but now it stops working. So this for the free VPN currently. So, and I've, as of 2025, I have not tried these free VPNs if they are still working or they have been stopped due to the recent upgrade in Talkatone. So that's another method. And also, when you log into your account, I saw a lot of complaint in Talkatone has disabled your account. Once Talkatone disable your account, you cannot get the account back. That's the thing. Once they disable, it's gone. So what I will say is, once you have your Talkatone account in your phone, do not try logging it out, logging it in. I always log in out and log in when I'm doing video for you guys to show you something. But once it's in, as you can see today, I just click it and it's already in. I only log out when I want to do video for you guys. So for you that do not have anything to show to someone, just leave your account intact. Because the more you log out, log in, sometimes they detect the VPN, though you get login, but that's what causes disabling of accounts. So please, to avoid that, stop logging in and logging out mostly daily. If you don't need the account, don't just open it for opening's sake. Wait when it is needed. That's another that's another thing I'm going to say. Also, for the talker to not creating WhatsApp, as you all know, I show you guys a lot of I show you guys one method that works. I've already posted the video. I guess that's my last video. Um that's another things to look on. And again, for the creation, sometimes once you pass the once you test the catch or something like that, it's not that it works once. You have to try like 3 times. Even we try like 3 times to get in, or sometimes four, but not that much. But it's not just like it works smoothly. You have to see some obstacles, but it will surely works. So that's it. So after all this, in my next video, I will be doing a video on how to create a Talkatone account. I will check the free method if it still work and update you guys. Also you can use proxies to create the VPN. Currently, as you can, let me check. I was testing a proxy for you guys to recommend the one to use for the creation, or the one to just use when you need a proxy. But suddenly, let's see. All right, so as you can see, I'm already subscribed, but let's see my proxy. So according to them, these are the proxy I'm currently having. So I don't know, it's just not working. It's not working. Let's try and see again. Let's try and see. Let's disconnect this VPN. Alright, let's go. So we copy this, and so this is the username you got. And alright, so if you click on connect, it close. Alright, it's just connected, but the internet is not going. I just don't know why for them. So I won't recommend going for that site VPN. I just waste money there for their subscription. So please don't try it. And also I will keep checking if I found any good one. As you can see, the VPN is not working. If I can see any working site that give real proxy, I will let you guys know. So that's it all for this VPN. That is all for this Talkatone creation account requirement of 18. It's just the basic things. Once you do all this, you are good and you are perfect to go.